Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving into the much anticipated 2025 Chrysler LeBaron, a nameplate that has made a remarkable return, blending classic elegance with modern innovation. Let's explore what makes this luxury sedan a standout in today's automotive landscape. A glimpse into history. The Chrysler LeBaron has a storied past. First introduced in the 1930s as a coach-built luxury car, it gained prominence in the 1980s and 1990s as a symbol of American automotive design. Fast forward to 2025, and Chrysler has resurrected the LeBaron, paying homage to its rich heritage while infusing it with contemporary advancements. Exterior design, a fusion of classic and contemporary. The 2025 LeBaron captures attention with its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia features a bold grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide a modern touch. The sculpted lines along the body not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve aerodynamic efficiency. The rear is adorned with a continuous LED light strip, giving it a distinctive and futuristic look. Interior luxury, comfort meets technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by an opulent interior that exudes luxury. Premium materials such as fine leather and real wood accents create an inviting atmosphere. The spacious cabin ensures ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys comfortable. The dashboard is dominated by a large infotainment screen equipped with Chrysler's latest Uconnect system. This interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, a digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to access vital information with ease. Performance, power and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 LeBaron offers a choice of powertrains. The standard model is equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering a robust 295 horsepower. For those seeking more efficiency, Chrysler offers a plug-in hybrid variant that combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with electric motors, producing a combined output of 260 horsepower. This hybrid model boasts an electric-only range of approximately 30 miles, making it ideal for daily commutes. Driving dynamics, smooth and responsive. The LeBaron's suspension system has been finely tuned to provide a balance between comfort and handling. The adaptive dampers adjust in real time to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride. Steering is precise, offering drivers a sense of control and confidence, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety features, advanced driver assistance. Safety is paramount in the 2025 LeBaron. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features work in harmony to provide a safer driving experience, reducing the likelihood of accidents. Technology integration, keeping you connected. Beyond the infotainment system, the LeBaron offers a host of technological amenities. A premium sound system delivers crystal clear audio, while multiple USB ports and wireless charging pads ensure devices remain powered. The vehicle also features over-the-air updates, allowing the system to stay current without the need for dealership visits. Customization options, tailoring to your taste. Chrysler provides a range of customization options for the LeBaron. From a selection of exterior colors to various wheel designs, buyers can personalize their vehicle to reflect their style. Interior options include different upholstery materials and trim finishes, ensuring a bespoke experience. Market positioning, competing in the luxury segment, the 2025 LeBaron positions itself in the competitive luxury sedan market, going head-to-head with established players. Its blend of classic design elements and modern technology aims to attract buyers seeking a vehicle that offers both nostalgia and contemporary features. Environmental considerations, a step towards sustainability. With the introduction of the hybrid model, Chrysler demonstrates a commitment to environmental sustainability. The improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions align with global efforts to combat climate change, making the LeBaron a responsible choice for eco-conscious consumers. Pricing and availability. Getting behind the wheel. The 2025 Chrysler LeBaron is expected to arrive in dealerships in the latter half of the year. While official pricing has yet to be announced, industry insiders anticipate a starting price in the mid-$40,000 range, with fully loaded models reaching upwards of $60,000. Final thoughts. A triumphant return. The revival of the LeBaron nameplate in 2025 marks a significant moment for Chrysler. By blending its rich heritage with modern advancements, the new LeBaron offers a compelling option for those seeking luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a single package. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Chrysler LeBaron. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into the latest automotive innovations. The backside of the 2025 Chrysler LeBaron is a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern sophistication. Chrysler has designed the rear to be both stylish and functional, ensuring it complements the overall luxurious appeal of the sedan. One of the most striking features of the LeBaron's rear is the sleek, full-width LED taillight bar. This continuous light strip runs across the trunk, giving the vehicle a futuristic look while improving visibility for drivers behind. The taillights have a refined, sharp design that seamlessly integrates into the car's body, creating a clean and modern aesthetic. The trunk lid features subtle sculpting, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a premium feel. Chrysler's iconic winged badge sits proudly at the center, reinforcing the brand's heritage. A subtle lip spoiler is integrated into the trunk design, adding a sporty touch without being too aggressive. Lower down, the rear bumper showcases a balanced combination of luxury and sportiness. The dual exhaust outlets, available on higher trims, are elegantly incorporated into the bumper, giving the LeBaron a powerful presence. In the hybrid variant, the exhaust design is more discreet, focusing on efficiency while maintaining a stylish appearance. The rear also includes an advanced camera system for enhanced safety and convenience. A high-definition rear-view camera and optional 360-degree surround view system provide excellent visibility, making parking and maneuvering easier. Sensors and a hands-free power trunk add to the practicality, allowing users to open the trunk with a simple foot motion under the bumper. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the rear design, from the precise panel gaps to the premium materials used in trim finishes. The 2025 Chrysler LeBaron's backside not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal but also contributes to its functionality, ensuring a luxurious and practical driving experience. Whether admired from a distance or up close, the rear of the LeBaron makes a bold statement, blending heritage with cutting-edge design. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.